So yeah, I've been trying to get myself into a good habit. So every single time now, from now onwards, I try to look at a tutorial or some tips for sculpting. For this time, I use a Yan sculpt tips video to get myself started before I started on my modeling. So that is a simple habit I try to get myself into, and we'll see how long that lasts. So we're up to the stage where we can add the face and stuff like that. I made the arms, and I made a torso, and I made a face. So everything's going nicely, right? So let's continue. So I probably just want to slide this one down a bit, this one down a bit, and I probably want to just make the more of the flat hand over here, the main part of it, and just add the fingers on here with the metables tactics that which I talked about a few episodes ago. Control R to remesh. Use the smoothing tool to smooth everything out to more of a circular shape that I can use. Control drag to pull it in. Maybe too big. So hands. So it starts off thin, gets wider, and thins back in. So let's do that. Just pull these parts out a bit and make sure it's flat. Hitting shift to smooth everything out. A bit better. Select both of them and hit Control J. Now they're one single part. Control Tab, go to sculpt mode. Sculpt mode, I'm pretty sure there's an easy way to do this, but whatever. Control R to remesh everything. And now we can just grab everything that we like. Inflate this a bit. Let's drag this part out. As a reserve, I guess. Maybe I don't need that. Maybe Metaball will do fine for this part as well. Maybe a little bit more over here. Placing the 3D cursor. Shift A, and let's add a Metaball. Let's go sphere. S, the skeleton. Yeah, I said it's about the correct length, I think. C, P. We want to make this one a bit longer. So let's just drag this one inwards a bit. Shift, right click to place the 3D cursor. Shift A, and then let's add, you guessed it, a Metaball. S, G, and then Z. Look in the reference photo again. Yeah, thumbs actually aren't all that thick. Just need to sculpt that bit in a bit, or we can just extend that with double Z. Yep. So let's go to fill. Probably just want to change strength up to a bit more. Oh yeah, if you're doing sculpting, I highly recommend buying a drawing tablet. I think it's Black Friday. I think today, or was it yesterday? I don't remember. But Helium tablets, a screenless Helium tablet usually sells for pretty quick. If you find out AliExpress. Maybe this isn't the best way to do it. No, probably is. No, it probably isn't. Whose idea was this? Oh yeah, mine. Smoothing everything up. Yeah. Usually though, a $20 drawing tablet for Helium works fine. So if you really just want to get into sculpting though, honestly, just get that. I just know X Pen tablet works really good as well. Yeah, this works fine, I guess. Let's keep it as is. That was fine. Let's keep it as is right now. And I'm just gonna end the episode here. And yeah, this is my finger. My hand. Did you want a hand? Did you want a wave? Bye, buddy. Have a good day.